Have you ever heard the sound of a black hole? NASA actually captured audio from the Perseus galaxy, over 200 million light years away, but the sound doesn't come from the black hole itself. It comes from pressure waves in the gas around it, like a massive cosmic roar. The frequencies were so low, scientists had to shift them up by 50 octaves so humans could hear them, and the result? The deepest, eeriest sound in the known universe. Listen to it. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want insanely good luck tomorrow, hit that like button and subscribe right now.